I could eat this for breakfast every day. Oh man. Oh. It's like a nice warm, eggy, delicious custard.
It feels like the wedding phase is over.
Yeah, we're in adventure phase.
And we're in adventure mode now. So I'm very much looking forward to it. Very excited. We're just about to go to Portugal, Porto, where we're going to meet up with
Sarah and Shiva.
That's right, for 3 days. Maybe have some dinner with my parents. And now we're just waiting for, I think, maybe the shuttle bus.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want.